Houses razed, vehicles burned, property destroyed. This is the aftermath of the crisis in Ile-Ife, Osun State, an attack that left several killed and others injured. Residents of Sabo, Obalufon area did not know what the day had in stock for them. According to eyewitnesses, the attack was caused by a minor altercation between a man and a wife of a transporter, which degenerated into a bloodbath.
On my way coming down, I've learned that my father's house are burnt to ashes. I've fed. I don't know what I have to say. This is how the house was burnt to ashes.
The police are in the community to stem the crisis.
It's under control as at now. There were some damages here and there. We lost some lives here, but we are on top of the situation. As at now, area is returning to normalcy. I have more than enough men on the ground, and more are coming.
The deputy police chief and his team also visit the palace of the traditional ruler, the Oni of Ife, who appeals for calm and calls for investigations.
Two wrongs don't make it right. It's just very unfortunate. It saddens my heart. But what I will appeal to the security agencies, please don't take sides. Whoever that must have caused this problem, apprehend them and bring them to justice.
Children and some vulnerable adults have been evacuated to the Ile-Ife Police Command for safety, a situation that saddens the state government.
There has been a coffee for 2 days. The governor is not happy because we're living together in peace and harmony. And it's an unbracketed African dirty slap on the face of Mr. Governor to see what is happening now. And he told the security agencies that whoever, irrespective of anybody, that perpetrated this act must be brought to.
In the meantime, the Osun State government has imposed a 2-day curfew to bring the situation under control. Hopefully, this works while adequate medical care is sorted for the injured.